vlog. So we are up earlier today-ish. And we're all ready for Volcano Bay. But first we're going to head down to our hotel. What's the eating place called here? I know Pier 8's the other one. I can't. Is it the Surf Cafe or something?
Yeah, something like that. Surf
we're going to head down there for some breakfast because these hotels do some banging breakfasts for the price. So we're going to go and fill up here, and then we're going to head on over to Volcano Bay. Isabel's ready with her sunglasses.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
we're ready to go.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
Right, we're on our way out. A little bit later than planned. Had a few problems with breakfast.
Yeah.
All I'll say is if you're going to have a breakfast, kids' breakfast, definitely have one at dockside rather than surfside.
Yeah.
But the lady was quite helpful after that, wasn't she?
Yeah.
But it's about twice the size at dockside, wasn't it? So yeah, for a little bit less as well. Yeah. So we're finally out. Going to get over to Volcano Bay for a little while. Get some rides, aren't we? Here comes our bus. Who have we got today? Harry Potter again. Yeah, Diagon Alley. You gonna go in the slides? Yeah? Good girl. Right, we made it to Volcano Bay. All suited and booted, ready to go. You excited, Isabel? Yeah? Madison is, look at her go. She can't get there quick enough. She loves it here, doesn't she? In the water, yeah.
Well, Madison's come all this way and she wants to look at pictures on Nana's phone. Typical. Could have done that at home.
Isabel, you ready to go on the first slide of the day? You're going to go on the blue one or the green one? Which one? The green one. Go on then, off you go.
Look at this, look at Mummy's phone. Look, say we're in the water. Yeah.
Where's Mummy?
Hello, Madison.
Where's Mummy? See Mummy.
Hello.
Do you like this? You like this, don't you?
Grumpy.
He's alright now.
He's grumpy.
Oh.
Oh, sprinkles.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready, Madison? Come your eyes.
Woo!
Is that good, Madison? Alright, I'll watch. Here she is.
Hello.
Hello.
Wow. No. We always get caught. Hello, Nana. Hello, Isabel.
Hello, Madison. You enjoying it, Madison? Yeah, look at them big green slides above her. And the big blue one.
Uh-oh, let's drink it.
Oh, Oh, Isabel! No, get him in, get him in! Get him in the sprays, quick! Ah. Here we go, into the volcano. Isabel, what do you think of these, Lazy River? Is it good?
Yeah.
We don't like going under the sprinkles though, do we? I don't like it either. I don't think she does. She doesn't sacrifice herself. She's as dry as anyone.
I don't think so.
There's no sacrifice there, is there? Here they come, in sync, the four ladies. Oh, going a bit quick. I can't reverse that much. And I don't know where I'm going. Yeah.
Hey Daddy, look at my feet.
Look at them big feeties.
They're not big.
They're getting bigger, aren't they? Look at the size of Nana's feet, they're tiny.
Well, we're on our way to the, I don't even know what it's called, the Fast River Rapids thing. Yeah. It's a bit breezy today. Feel a
Quite
little,
nice though, isn't it?
yeah, I feel a bit chilly in between waters, if I'm honest. But it's a nice day and it's not majorly busy, is it? We managed to get a time for that coaster, haven't we?
Yeah, I think we got to wait 170, nearly 3
Yeah.
hours, but I think about an hour's gone already,
Yeah.
so yeah, not too long.
Right?
There you go. Now, yeah, we're going to head down there, have a couple of goes around there,
Yeah.
and then head back to Nana and the girls.
Yeah.
Oh my!
Coming!
That was bigger than any other way, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was big.
It's absolutely massive. Not my cup of tea.
Oh, it's fabulous.
No.
Oh, that waterfall's spraying.
I think
Oh,
it's your favourite thing.
it's my favourite thing. Oh God. I want to go video. Woo! Woo! Oh, it went right in my ears. Oh, no, I don't like it when it goes in my ears. It's very choppy then.
Right. Yeah, what's it doing?
It's choppy.
This is not good. Ashley?
Yeah?
Yeah, you have to post that.
Yeah. We're going on that later.
Yeah. What time?
Look at my jacket.
I know. Look at mine, look. Look at those.
Riley, it's coming.
Where is it?
It's coming.
Where is it?
There it is.
It's coming!
It's coming.
It definitely is. The further down you go, it's bigger, isn't it? That first initial thing is good to look at, but it's bigger if you're further down, isn't it?
Definitely.
That first time round, the wave was massive, wasn't it?
It gains momentum as it goes round.
Yeah.
You
It's
look
good
like a
though, isn't
baby
it?
in your
You what?
You look like a little baby in your thing. I know, we all do. Oh, look at you. You're so close to me. Oh.
Right, well, Isabel's convinced me to follow her down to this cave because she said that I won't get wet down there. Personally, I don't see how that's going to happen because there's water absolutely everywhere. You can't really see it on the camera, but there's just water coming down from every angle. It's just dripping everywhere. Getting absolutely soaked. And now she's done a run and she's not even in the cave. She's hiding somewhere. Isabel. And she's run off. Right, we're going to try this again. Isabel ran off last time. I looked like a right wally. Just walking around here on my own. Have to be careful, there's literally water everywhere. No, I think she's just going to run off again. Making me look silly again. There she is. Right, well what is it, 175 minutes, just short of 3 hour wait is up. We're just going to head up to, what's this ride called? I don't even know what it's called, yeah. You what?
Krakatoa?
Krakatoa, yeah, the roller coaster, water roller coaster ride. So Nana's going to stay back with Madison and we're all going to go on this. I think I'm going to go on with Mummy and Isabel. I've just been on the lazy river, run 3 times around with Nana. Had a bit of a casual one with Nana. And now we're going to go up here and go on this. You what, sorry?
And we were playing in the little splash pool. The rest of us, like the kids.
Yeah, we've been in the kids area. It's really good in there, isn't it?
Yeah.
They all love it in there, don't they? So,
Yeah, they do.
yeah, we're looking forward to this. We're hoping to get on this holiday, won't we?
Yeah.
So, let's go see what it's like. Hold on, Isabel! Come on, Isabel! Come on, Isabel! quickly.
That was amazing.
That was great, wasn't it? Isabel, did you like that?
Get back at mummy. Wipe your eyes.
Right, we're going to say bye-bye to Volcano Bay for this trip. We've had a lovely day though, haven't we? Really lovely day. What did you all think of that ride? Yeah? It was really good, wasn't it? Yeah. It was like a 3-hour wait, but it was well worth it, wasn't it? Isabel, you sat right at the front, didn't you? She sat in her own right at the front, then me and Mummy sat a couple further back, didn't we? And then the boys went on together. And God, it was really good, wasn't it? Really good. What did you think of it, Isabel? Thumbs up or thumbs? You didn't like the splash in the face, but did you like the other bits?
Yeah.
Yeah, you like thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs up, that's what we like to see. Good boys? Yeah. And Nana had a good time, didn't you, with Madison?
Yeah.
We got off the ride and then having a little walk around, weren't you, with Nana? Yeah, having a little walk with Nana. So we're going to head back to the room now. I don't know what time it is, around 3 o'clock, something like that. Go and get showered and ready and everything.
Yeah.
And then head to Bubba Gump's, aren't we? Because we're all pretty hungry now, aren't we? Really hungry. You hungry, Madison? Always, she says, always. You hungry, Isabel?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go and get something to eat. Say bye to Volcano Bay. Isabel, let's see your sunglasses. Very cool, don't you? And what bus have we got? Harry Potter again. Seems to always be Harry Potter now, doesn't it? Yeah. Well, me and Riley are making a mad rush into Islands of Adventure. As we're going to be at Bubba Gump's. The park shuts in 2 hours. We're going to try and get a ride, well, a time for Hagrid's. It's a 100-minute wait, so we're going to try and go and grab a time, get back to Bubba Gump's, eat our food, and then try and get back into the park to ride Hagrid's, which will probably be our last time of riding it. So we're going to quickly try and grab a time now, because it's so hard to get a time, like a decent time for that. So we're on a mad mission, aren't we, Riley?
Yeah.
Well, we got time, haven't we, Riley?
Yeah.
Now we've got a mad rush back to Bubba Gump's to meet the others. And then we've got to hope that we've eaten our meal quick enough to then get into the park before it shuts in 1 hour and 45 minutes.
Yeah.
And then we can ride Hagrid's in the dark.
Yeah.
Madison, you hungry?
Yeah.
Yeah. Say we're in, say Bubba Gump's. Bubba Gump, say Bubba Gump. Gump, yeah, Bubba Gump's. Right, well I've just met them at Bubba Gump's, just got here, just in time, and here is the kids' meal. It's $8.49. You put your entree there, pick your side, and then the boys are doing this for 49 cents. They've gone for the Mountain Dew refills. So for $9 you get all that, which is an absolute bargain. I don't know what the boys are having, we'll see when it comes out. But everyone's really hungry, aren't you boys? Really happy to eat. Right, I've just ordered our food, and the lady said if we need anything, what you do is you flip this over. It's on Run Forest Run. You flip it over to Stop Forest Stop, because the boys need a refill, don't you boys? Right, we've just finished our Bubba Gumps, haven't we? Yeah. And we're now making a mad rush to Hagrid's because the park closes in about 10-15 minutes. We've got to get up the other end of the park and hopefully get on the child swap. The food was lovely, but we'll talk about that later, won't we? Because we're going to walk as quickly as we can, aren't we, Alfie? Yeah, and it's raining. Well, it's drizzling now, but we had to stop for a few minutes because it started absolutely lashing it down. So let's go as quick as we can. Right, well the park closed half hour ago, didn't it, Mummy? But there's still loads of people everywhere. We've just done Hagrid's for what possibly could be our final time, haven't we? And how many times did we do it? Three times, didn't we? 3 times we went around. So all the adults with the child swap, all the adults got on it twice each. And Riley and Alfie got on 3 times, didn't you, Alfie? So yeah, this holiday you've been on 7 times on Hagrid's, which is fantastic, isn't it? And how many times have we been on? What, 2, 3, 4? Yeah. 4 times? Yeah. 4 or 5, something like that, isn't it? So yeah, it's really good. We're gonna head over to the other park now because the other park shuts at 8 and see the light show, yeah, which we really enjoyed last time, didn't we? Yeah. Right, we made it over, haven't we, Alfie? Literally everyone else is leaving. But we made it, haven't we, Mummy? We're just going to zip round now, try and find a decent place for this light show. And Isabel is really looking forward to this. She said she doesn't mind going on another ride tonight as long as she gets to see the light show, didn't you, Isabel? So we're going to make sure we get a decent place for her. Right, we just got back to the room, dropped off Mummy and the girls, and me and Humpty and Dumpty are going off to fill up our endless summer drinks. Mine and Mummy's, Alfie's got one, and Riley's got one. And Mummy's going to have strawberry lemonade tonight, and I don't know what I'm going to have. We'll see when we get there.
Okay, so we are all ready for bed after another crazy busy day. So we started off by having breakfast, didn't we? We got out a bit earlier this morning.
Yep.
We had breakfast.
We went down to breakfast at the
Yeah.
hotel.
Yeah, mixed reviews.
Yep.
And then we went over to Volcano Bay for quite a few hours.
Yeah, as soon as we got there, we saw that the what's that coaster called?
Krakatoa?
Yeah, Krakatoa. The other times that we've been in the summer and when we went the other day, ride was full, wasn't it?
Yeah.
But had like a 180-minute wait. So we booked a time, waited for about 2 hours 45, didn't we?
Yeah.
And then went on there, didn't we?
Yep.
And it was it was really worth the wait, wasn't it?
Yeah, was it worth the wait for you guys? Yeah.
What
So
did
the
you
boys
think
went on
of
their
it,
own,
Isabel?
didn't they?
What did you think of that water coaster? I was a bit reluctant with Isabel going on it because it's at Isabel, then a Gap, then Mummy, then me.
Yeah.
They had to say we had to sit like that, so Isabel had to sit at the front, so she got all the brunt of all the spray, didn't she?
You went all in
Yeah,
your
didn't I,
face, didn't it, Isabel?
And we tried our
Yeah.
best to film it, but
Yeah.
God knows what it came out like.
And Madison had lots of fun in the water, didn't you? Yeah, in the water. We all went in the lazy river, didn't we? All together. And those naughty sprinkles kept getting in your eyes, didn't they? Those naughty sprinkles. And then we came back and got showered and then headed out for dinner.
Yep, went to Bubba Gump's.
Yeah.
But quickly before Bubba Gump's, we quickly got time for Hagrid's because it was about an hour 40 wait.
Yeah.
So we got the time, then quickly went to there, and it was nice in there, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was really nice in there, yeah.
What did I have? Something like the po sandwich.
Shrimp.
Po sandwich.
Yeah.
It
Yeah.
was shrimp in a roll. It was really nice.
Climbing. Yeah, it looked really good, yeah.
Yeah.
I had
I had barbecue ribs with French fries.
yeah.
Yep.
What did you have, Alfie?
I had a cheese pizza with chips.
Yeah. What did you have, Isabel? What did you have for
She's
dinner?
half asleep. She had pizza as well, didn't she? Pizza
Yeah.
and chips.
And Madison had the pasta, the tomato pasta, which was fabulous.
Yeah, she loved it. You loved tucking into that as well, didn't you, Mummy?
I only had a few mouthfuls. And they all came in like a little boat thing, and then at the top of the boat there was jelly, blue jelly.
Yeah.
What did it taste like? What flavour?
We couldn't talk
You
about
had
it
jelly.
because the music was quite
Yeah,
loud,
the
so we
music
couldn't
was
really talk.
blaring, so we showed you, but we didn't tell you.
What did you have?
I had a Texas chicken sandwich, and the sauce that they put on it was hot,
Yeah, it was hot, wasn't it?
was spicy, but it was very nice though. And the chips had a bit of a
It was, yeah,
spicy something something.
And what did Nana have? It's like Mama's chicken or something.
Yeah,
wasn't
she
it?
had like the southern fried chicken with like mashed potato and corn on the cob and gravy and
Yeah,
stuff.
She was very happy with the mashed potato.
Yeah. You want to climb? Are you tired?
Then we went and rode Hagrid's, didn't we?
I'm
Child swap. We
tired.
ended up getting on there 3 times, didn't we?
Yeah.
Which was really good.
Yeah, it was dark.
Yeah.
was
Yeah,
fabulous.
doing the dark, which is what we really wanted to do, didn't we?
And me and Daddy
Yeah.
sat right at the front,
Yeah.
which we'd never done before.
Yeah. Totally different.
It was really
experience,
good.
the dark, wasn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, it was really good. And then once we'd gotten off, because the park had closed,
Yeah, that
Har-
part shut at 7, didn't it?
yeah, Hogsmeade had. There were still people there, but compared to what it was like in the day, it completely cleared, and it was so nice.
Yeah, it was.
We got
All
some
lit
lovely
up, wasn't
pictures
it?
of the
All-
castle as well, didn't we?
Yeah, we got some very nice pictures.
Yeah. And then we headed out of there and bombed it over to Universal Studios in time for the cinematic celebration. I think that's what it's called, which we really like.
Oh, we really like it.
I have it up there with like the Disney Illuminations. I think it's brilliant.
Definitely. Like,
It's-
nothing really is said about it, is it? Not
No.
much is made of it, but it's.
No,
if
not
you
at all.
Go to Universal, you should definitely do it. 'Cause
Yeah.
It's really good.
It's great.
And we've
Did
done a few
they-
clips for the video, haven't we? But
Yeah. Yeah. Did they add a bit for the new Jurassic Park film? Because I thought there was a little bit of
yeah, I think
the
there was-
dinosaur
yeah,
bit that
there
I
might be
hadn't
some
seen
extra bits
before.
in there, but yeah,
Yeah, it was really good. I'm glad we made it over.
yeah,
It kept starting to rain, didn't it?
yeah.
But it held out in the end.
And it's the illusion of the water.
Yeah, so it felt like you were in the fountain.
Yeah. It was good though. It was a good day, wasn't it? Really busy day.
Yeah,
Then
really
we
good.
came back and grabbed a pizza on the way home.
Yeah, it's becoming our jam, really.
Or had a couple of slices. Well, during up onto we had a couple of slices, didn't we?
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Yeah, filled up our cups.
Now we're ready for bed.
Yeah. Yeah. Very tired, sorry.
Yeah.
Ooh. Yeah, so it's supposed to be raining the last few days, which is a shame. There seems to be some sort of tropical storm coming.
Well, apparently. We will see.
It says on the news, so we're keeping an eye on that. But yeah, we'll just have to see. We'll see. All I know is that the day we go home it's raining all day, and that's fine by me because we're going home.
Yeah. Take each day as it comes.
Yes. So we're gonna leave this vlog now and go to bed, and we will see you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Thank you all for watching.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. This is Madison getting ready for bed. You want the covers? Yeah, pull the covers then. Have a lie down. You get them from here. You got the covers? Oh, fantastic. Night night, little one. Love you. We're gonna watch Poppy and Branch now. Yeah? Go sleepies. No, say night night. Love you.